Hello guys, welcome to Casino YouTube channel where you get to learn Forex strategy. If you want to learn more Forex strategies, you can check my playlist, where you will get to see trendline breakout strategy, support resistance strategy, news trade etc. Today we will trade in US dollar versus Japanese yen, where you will get to learn more. I have $4,300 in this account. Let's see how much we can grow by this. Here our goal is to achieve the big target. I am increasing the lot size according to the account, or we will follow proper risk management. I have already calculated my risk. Our trade place is done, where our loss is running around $40. We'll try to grow from it in this video. We will use simple technique, what anyone can do. This strategy is very easy. Practice it as much as you can. Now let me explain to you why I placed the buying trade. Here you can currently see market is moving in sideways for 2 to 3 days. It will change its trend now. If we see the big trend of the market, then there is an uptrend for which we will take trend line to draw. This will connect to the point of higher low, so that you will understand the trend better. The market is following this trend line very well. Here we have got the analysis perfect, and currently also the market is going up by making support of this trend line where we have by the US dollar. Markets will follow the trend line in future because the strong trend of the market is an uptrend. Strong support area is visible here where the market reversed with a strong move. Let me tell you by drawing with the rectangle tool. Here the market went up with a double support, what we call double bottom candlestick pattern, which is an indication from here the market will change its trend. First market come down from here, then went up with support from here. Went up and come down again, going up again with support at the same place, which has double bottom format. Whenever the market changes its trend, he will either make a head and shoulder pattern or make a double bottom, double top. So far our analysis is correct. Now let's see the reaction of the market. High probability chances market must move up from here, because the strong trend of the market is an uptrend where we draw the trend line. Now let's set the stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be placed below the trend line and support level, which is down 87 pips. If we have this setup fail, so the market will go down by breaking the trend line and support area. And my target point will be around the above resistance level, which is 177 pips above our trade. Guys, still our loss is around $40. The market is now ready to go up. We set stop loss and target point quickly. Now we have to wait till when the market hits our target. We have followed all our rules properly, where we can see good profit if you do analysis and risk management well, so your 70 to 80% chance will be profit. Never close a trade before the stop loss or target is hit. If you buy sell again and again, you will always be in loss. Let's meet guys after a few hours. Guys, my target is hit where we achieved this target after 6 days because the market was closed on Saturday, Sunday. That's why our target was late achieved. Here we see that the market has turned a little sideways, because of which the market did not follow our trend line, but from where we had draw support area, the market went up with support. We had placed a trade at this place. After that the market turned sideways and went upstairs with support at this place, or we see up down moving in a zone. From here finally the market went up. We didn't close our trade before the stop loss and target point, which made us achieve this goal. The market remained in consolidation zone for a long time and gave a breakout today. Let's get this trend line right. The market is still following this trend line, due to which we are seeing strong uptrend. All these points are very important for trend line. Whenever the market breaks this trend line, we will get good selling opportunity. Place these arrow line also in the right place to make our double bottom perfect look. The market has taken support here on the trend line as well as on the support area. Our analysis is correct. Guys, my stop loss was 87 pips below this area, and the target point was 177 pips above, which was removed after being hit. Another supply demand level is visible here. I'll show you by drawing with the rectangle tool. The market had taken resistance many times at this place. Later it broke and made support, and now retest 3 times is going up. That's how the market works. The market always repeats its history, due to which repeatedly moves making support resistance zone. Let's close the trade now. Guys, our profit is running $6,380, which is huge amount. We have achieved this goal with proper psychology. I am closing all trades now.
They told me I'm the best and I told them I know, cause when I'm in your town every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man, facts bro, lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop.
I had deposited $4,300 in this account, which we have made $11,092, which we have doubled our account. If your analysis is correct, then you can easily profit from the market. You just have to be patient, all the work will be done by that. Remove these arrows and we will do further analysis for how we can find more opportunities. The market took 3-time resistance here, which the market broke some time back and is now going up. Here we got to see the fake breakout because the market has made this candle wick because of the news. We don't have to place trades until we get breakout confirmation. Always wait for the candle to close or place trades on retest, which can increase your chances of being profitable. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Thanks for watching this video.